Dear students, I am Sheila, Assistant Professor, Department of Maths, Unit 4. We discuss the topics are Introduction, Connected Region, Cauchy Integral, Taylor Series. Introduction: contour in the complete plane is just a curve, finite or infinite, while has an arrow or orientation. It is a method of evaluating certain integral along path C in the complete plane and is denoted by integral f of z dz. The connected regions are two types: simply connected region, multiple connected region. Simply connected region. A region which has no holes is called simply connected region. Multiple connected region. A region which is not simply connected is called multiple connected region. Cauchy integral theorem: if a function f of z is analytic and its derivative f dash of z is continuous at all points inside and on a simple closed curve C, integral f of z dz equal to 0. Cauchy integral formula: f of z is analytic, C be a closed curve, A is any point within C. F of A is equal 1 divided by 2 pi I integral f of z divided by z minus A into dz. We see the first question. Evaluate the integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 into dz, where C is a circle. Modulus of z plus 1 minus I equal to 2 and modulus of z plus 1 plus I equal to 2. Solution: given integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 into dz. The division z square plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Here this is the quadratic formation. Just you find the roots minus 1 plus or minus 2i. So A is equal minus 1 plus 2i and minus 1 minus 2i. So modulus of z plus 1 minus I equal to 2. Here given the circle, just you replace z term will be x plus iy. So x plus iy plus 1 minus I equal to 2. Here write the real part and imaginary part. So x plus 1, the modulus of x plus 1 plus y minus 1 into I equal to 2. So modulus term splitting the root formation change that. So x plus 1 whole squared plus y minus 1 whole squared is equal to, the radius is 4. So its center of circle of radius is 2 and center is minus 1 plus 1. A is equal minus 1 plus 2i lies inside the circle. A is equal minus 1 minus 2i lies outside the circle. So integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz equal to integral z plus 4 divided by z minus of minus 1 plus 2i. Next one, z minus of minus 1 minus 2i into dz. So f of z here, z plus 4 divided by z minus 1 minus 2i is the f of z form. So z replacing the point minus 1 plus 2i. So substitute that z minus 1 plus 2i plus 4 divided by minus 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus into minus, so plus 1 plus 2i. So plus 2i 4i minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 2i. So integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz equal to 2 pi into f of minus 1 plus 2i. So 2 pi into that value 3 plus 2i divided by 4i. So 4 and 2 cancel that, pi divided by 2, I cancel here, 3 plus 2i. Therefore integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz equal to pi divided by 2 of 3 plus 2i. Second one, modulus of z plus 1 plus I equal to 2. So again replacing the value of z, x plus iy plus 1 minus I equal to 2. Sorry, here plus I. X plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 square. Its circle of radius is 2. The center is plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. A is equal minus 1 plus 2i lies inside the circle. A is equal to minus 1 minus 2i lies outside the circle. So integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 into dz. So integral z plus 4 divided by z minus of minus 1 plus 2i, z minus of minus 1 minus 2i dz. So this here f of z is, so outside term omit that, the inside value, so z plus 4 divided by z minus of minus 1 plus 2i. So f of minus 1 minus 2i equal to, so replace the z value minus 1 plus minus 2i plus 4 divided by minus 1 minus 2i minus into minus plus 1 minus into plus minus 2i. So here minus 1 plus 1 cancel, and then 4 minus 1 3 minus 2i divided by minus 2i minus 2a is minus 4i. So integral z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz equal to 2 pi I into f of minus 1 minus 2i. So replace that value 3 minus 2i divided by minus 4i. So I cancel, 3 and 4 2 and 4 cancel. You get the value is minus pi divided by 2 of 3 minus 2i. So this is our final answer. Next, second question. Evaluate integral over c e power minus z divided by z squared into dz, where c is the circle, modulus of z is equal to 1. Solution. We know that integral over c f of z divided by z minus a into dz is equal 2 pi I into f of a. So what is the a value here? Is 0. So integral over c e power minus z dz divided by z minus 0 the whole squared into dz. So here f of z is equal e power minus z, a equal to 0 lies inside because modulus of z is equal to 1. By Cauchy integral formula, so 2 pi I into f dash of a equal to 2 pi I into f dash of a is minus 1. That is minus into that value minus 2 pi I. Next, third question. Evaluate integral over c z square plus 1 divided by z square minus 1 into dz, where c is the circle of unit radius and center at z is equal to I. So here unit circle means the radius will be 1. Here center is I. So determinant of z minus I equal to 1. The poles are z is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. Lies outside the circle. Therefore, z square plus 1 divided by z square minus 1 is analytic inside modulus of z minus I equal to 1. So by Cauchy integral theorem, integral over c z squared plus 1 divided by z squared minus 1 dz equal to 0. So next fourth question, evaluate integral over z secant z dz, where c is the unit circle, modulus of z is equal to 1. So how you write secant z? 1 by cos z. The poles are given by the solution cos z equal to 0, that is z is equal, cos z is equal to 0 when z value substitution here 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n is equal 0, 1, 2, etc. So z is equal pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 plus etc. Here all the poles lies outside. So modulus of z is equal to 1. Sin secant z is analytic with modulus of z is equal to 1. So by Cauchy integral theorem, integral over c secant z dz equal to 0. Next fifth question, evaluate integral z into dz divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 whole squared, where c is a modulus of z minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 by using Cauchy integral formula. So f of z is equal like that. So z is equal to 1 is a pole of order 1 and z is equal to 2 is a pole of order 1, is a pole of order 2. So using partial fraction method, z value and a value finding that. So what is that? Integral z into dz, z minus 1 into z minus 2 the whole squared is equal in integral 1 divided by z minus 1 into dz minus integral 1 divided by z minus 2 into dz plus integral 2 divided by z minus 2 the whole squared into dz. Here this value is outside that circle, that means 0. Inside the value is, so minus 2 pi I into f of 2 plus 2 into inside that this, so 2 pi I into f dash of 2. So f dash of 2 equal to 0, f of z is equal to 1. So substituting that minus 2 pi I, this term full value will be 0. That is the final answer is minus 2 pi I. Next, power series. Power series of the form summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n z minus n whole power n is equal a naught plus a1 into z minus a1, sorry, z minus a plus a2 into z minus a the whole square plus etc. is called a power series of z minus a, where z is a complex variable and a naught, a1, a2, etc. an are complex constant and the constant a is called center of the series. Next one, Taylor series. A function f of z analytic inside a circle C with center can be expanded in the series. So f of z is equal f of a plus f dash of a divided by 1 factorial z minus a f double dash of a divided by 2 factorial z minus a the whole square plus f triple dash of a divided by 3 factorial z minus a the whole cube plus etc. So Maclaurin series also the same form of z is equal to 0. The first form problem of Taylor series, find the Taylor series f of z is equal to sin z about z is equal to pi by 4. So f of z is equal to sin z. F dash means differentiation with respect to z cos z. F double dash means minus sin z. F triple dash means minus cos z. Just substitute the point a is equal to pi by 2, you get 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by root 2. So just you substitute the value in this formula, you got this value is Taylor series f of z is equal to, write this value. And then one more problem here, you work out it, and then video here given, and then reference books also given. Please refer it and work out the problems. Thank you.